In this video, I'll show you how to share internet from laptop to mobile via Wi-Fi in Windows 11. You can share your laptop's internet connection with your mobile device via Wi-Fi in Windows 11 by using the Mobile Hotspot feature. So go ahead and open the settings by clicking Windows I. Navigate to the Network and Internet tab, and under that, you'll be able to find the Mobile Hotspot tab. Click on Mobile Hotspot. Now turn on this mobile hotspot and continue in configuring hotspot settings. So under the share internet connection, select the connection you want to share. Click edit to customize the network name and password for your hotspot. So as you can see in here, you can edit the network name, password, and the band of your internet connection that you want to share from your PC to your mobile device. Now, once you have set that up, go ahead and connect your mobile device to your Wi-Fi. Find the hotspot network name and enter the password and connect. And once you have connected your device into your mobile hotspot, that would reflect under the devices connected section. That's basically how you can do that. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.